12 English. Happy day students. Today we are going to read a lesson, A Tiger King by Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti. His pen name is Kalki. Introduction. The story The Tiger King is a satire on the pride and stubbornness of those in power. The writer takes us to the days of autocratic and eccentric kings. These kings lived under the thumb rule of British, hence they were scared of them. Most of the time the rulers were not interested in serving the people and working for the welfare of the public. Instead, they spent their time in foolish pursuits. They flouted all laws and bent them to suit their selfish interest. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram tried to believe what was written in his fate. The chief astrologer had predicted that the cause of his death would be a tiger. The king tried his best to believe the prediction. His campaign of tiger hunting was very successful. All his strategies and wise plans worked till he killed 99 tigers. But the 100th tiger eluded him till his death. The irony of fate brings quite an unexpected end of the Maharaja. The hero who killed 99 tigers couldn't kill the only one that was left. The last tiger he thought to be dead survived. The king's bullet had missed its mark. Ironically, the 100th tiger which caused his death was not a ferocious beast of blood and flesh. It was a wooden tiger. One of the slivers of wood pierced his right hand and caused infection and a suppurating sore. It ultimately led to his death. About the author. Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti was a Tamil writer, journalist, poet, critic and Indian independence activist. He penned 120 short stories, 10 novelettes, 5 novels, 3 historical romances, editorial and political writings and hundreds of film and music reviews. Theme. Animals and birds are as much part of the nature as human beings. The destruction or haphazard killing of one species may not only lead to its extinction, but it will adversely affect the ecological balance. Those animals which serve as food for the wild animals will increase in large number. If the beasts of prey are wiped out, each species, howsoever fierce, deadly, ferocious or poisonous, has its role in maintaining ecological balance in nature. Characters. Have a look on the slide. Lesson at a glance. The Maharaja Sir Jilani Jung Bahadur was called Tiger King. When he was just 10 days old, he asked intelligent questions to the astrologers and was told that he would be killed by a tiger. He uttered, "Let tigers be aware." No other miracle took place. The child grew like any other royal child, drinking white cow's milk, taught by an English tutor, looked after by an English nanny, and watched English films. When he was 20, he was crowned as king. It was then the prediction of his death by the tiger reached the Maharaja's ear, and he in turn, to safeguard himself, killed a tiger and being thrilled, He told the astrologer, who replied that he can kill 99 tigers but should be careful with the 100th. From then on, he started killing tiger and none was allowed to hunt tigers. A high-ranking British officer visited the state that was fond of hunting tiger and his wish was declined. The officer requested for getting a photograph with a tiger killed by Maharaja and this request was rejected. So to please the officer's wife, he sent 50 diamond rings expecting that she would take one or two instead. She kept all the rings costing 3 lakh rupees and sent thanks to the Maharaja. But his state was secured. In 10 years, he killed 70 tigers and didn't find any in Pratibandhapuram. So he decided to marry a girl from a royal state which had more tigers to complete his target. Whenever he visited his in-laws, he killed 5 to 6 tigers. So he killed 99 tigers and was feverishly anxious to kill the 100th, but couldn't find news about the presence of a tiger near a village. Proved disappointing. Now the Diwan was warned of his danger, so he visited People's Park in Madras and brought an old tiger and placed it in the forest and informed the Maharaja. The Maharaja took great care and shot the tiger and left the place with great triumph. The bullet did not hit the tiger, but out of fear the tiger had collapsed. Now the staff killed the tiger and brought it in grand procession. It was the third birthday of Maharaja's son and he wanted to buy a present from the toy shop. He bought a wooden tiger which was poorly carved. While the Maharaja was playing with the prince, a tiny silver wooden tiger pierced his right hand, which later on caused his death. Thus, the 100th tiger takes his final revenge upon the tiger. Thank you.